28, you guys. Oh my god. Doesn't feel like anything, to be honest. I just got off work. The team and I went to go have lunch and got some cupcakes afterwards. Originally, I was supposed to have lunch with Alexander and his family since they are in town. I guess my boss was like, well, it's your birthday, and then there's 2 other co-workers in the office that have August birthdays as well. So we just had a team lunch and then went to get some sprinkles cupcakes afterwards. So it was a 2-hour lunch break, which was nice. I'm going to head to UPS to drop off a package for work and then get home, shower, get ready, get glammed for the night. Oh, I am excited. So tonight, me and a group of friends and my brother and Alexander and his sister, we're gonna go see a comedy show tonight in Addison, which I'm really excited because I found this comedian on Facebook. I was just watching a bunch of like shorts or reels, whatever you want to call them, and came across this comedian, and he's really funny. His name is Samuel J. Comroe. He was on America's Got Talent. I forgot what season. I've been watching a lot of his shorts or reels, and I thought he was pretty funny, and I was like, well, that's nice. He's touring, but he's not coming to Dallas. And then like a couple weeks later, he announced on his Instagram that he's going to be in Dallas. And what do you know? He's in Dallas on my birthday weekend, so it worked out perfectly. I went and booked some tickets for me and my friends to go. So that's exciting. That's the plans for tonight. We're going to go grab a quick dinner before that because the show doesn't start until 9:45, and I don't want people to be hungry. I'm sure that place has like bar food or whatever. I don't know, never been. I'd rather go with a full stomach than an empty stomach. But it's gonna be fun. I still need to figure out what to wear. All right, hair and makeup is done and my outfit. I am ready to go. This is my outfit. If you guys remember from a long time ago, one of my old Shein hauls, I got this 2-piece set from Shein. It's been like 1.5 years and I haven't worn it. White shorts, and I got this cute bag earlier this year from TJ Maxx, I believe, and I think it matches really well. Crimped my hair very lightly. Spray some dry shampoo on because my hair is kind of oily at the moment. But yeah, that is my outfit. Really fun, really summery. I like it. Say hi. Hello. Oh. And the mom's back there. Good. Okay, Clinique. Ooh.
That was like a little extra something. So I got you 2 of those.
Oh, it's like a little jewelry box?
Yeah, so you
oh,
can
how
like
cute.
organize everything.
Yeah.
Because I know you've been getting some more jewelry.
I know.
So you could do that. And
really
then there's a smaller one in there too, so it's like a little set.
Oh, I see it. Oh.
So it's like a cute little set. I hope you like
Oh,
it.
I like it. It's so pretty.
So I got you that. And I also
Ooh.
got you the perfume.
Yes, one of my favorites. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna be smelling good every day.
And then I got that because I thought that reminded me of you when I saw it.
Oh, that's funny.
So I
It's a
got
panda
it.
eating noodles. Oh, this is so cute.
Right in there.
Mom got you something.
This is like, oh. Tiffany? It's a cute pouch.
I'm pretty sure she wore that to you. What? Yeah, she said she was in mourning.
Ooh.
I just want my son to be happy.
Ooh, pretty.
Do you like it? It's a bracelet.
How do you put this on? Oh.
It's a bracelet.
Oh, it opens like this.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Put it-
The left one.
Oh,
It's
it's
silver, so you can just
No,
shower
yes,
with it.
I'm trying to like mix silver with gold here and there.
So you can shower
This
with
is
it
cute.
or whatever.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you like everything.
I love everything.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you very much. It's cute. Says happy birthday. The lighting is kind of bad. There it goes. Right here. Pretty cute. Thank you.
Christine's gonna get you something.
Christine is here. Christine got me some Tiff treats. I've never had this before, so I'm excited to try their cookies.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Got some horchata. Woo, woo. Oh, it's here. We all got horchata.
Don't mention the carne asada. That was so good. It makes sense. Our order is like
What you get?
All right, we're here at the comedy club. Eric is with me now. You can't see him. We just got in. This is our tables. Everybody here. Here is the stage. Woo.
I'm gonna get some sweet potato fries.
oh yeah, get the extra.
You don't want, I want to add honey sriracha.
Cheers! Thank you.
Cindy, try mine.
This is good.
Try mine. Let me try.
Yeah,
A
just
girl,
finished
a girl
the
was
comedy
okay.
show.
She didn't.
And it was a lot of fun. My cheeks are hurting from smiling and laughing the whole time. I got a picture with him. I was
me
a little
too.
nervous. I was like, it was nice. A great show. I don't know what I was saying, but
I like the bracelets he was selling. So.
oh,
Should have bought something.
Good morning. It's the next day. Woo. Last night was so fun. We were laughing so much. My cheeks were hurting. But yeah, we couldn't film the show. No photos or filming during the show. But afterwards, I got to take a quick photo with him. I will insert it right here. He is so funny. And the guy next to him, his name is Ralph. And he was like his opening act as well. They were both really funny. So, oh my God. First actual live comedy show. 10 out of 10. Lots of fun. I am pretty much getting ready for lunch this afternoon. Right now it's 10:30. I just gotta change and like put some lip gloss, lipstick on, and we're good to go. I woke up early because I couldn't sleep. And I was just kind of like cleaning around the apartment, did some laundry. Today's gonna be another fun day. I'm having lunch with the girlfriends, and then I'm just gonna go lay out at the pool again. My balloons have died on me. They're so sad now. This one is still holding up. So this is my outfit for the lunch. This is a dress I got from TJ Maxx. I love it so much. It's so flowy, very comfortable. And I just put the sleeves off the shoulder. I'm not wearing a bra, so if my boobs look a little saggy, mind your business. You can either wear it like this, but I prefer it to be off the shoulder to make it a little more flirty and girly. But yeah, it's up to my ankles, so a little bit above my ankles. But yeah, this is the dress that girl gave me 20% off of. And then I'm just wearing these really old earrings and this Tiffany's bracelet that Alexander's mom got me. Here's the restaurant. Very pretty. Cheers! Thank you. Alright, dig in, you guys. Dig in.
Take your first bite.
So you did this, Christine?
In this one, this.
Salmon, ribeye sandwich, right? salad. This gift is from Fifi. Lazy wrapping. Little cardboard. Got it in black because I figured. Black. Yeah, it was either that or red or purple, and I was like, yeah, no. Black. Yeah, from Anwar. This was from Anwar. I love the bag. So you. I like that. Half and half. It's gonna look really cute in your apartment. It goes with your colors for sure. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, white cedar and apple. Ooh, that sounds like it would smell good. It smells really fresh. It goes with the aesthetics of this place. Well, in your blanket too, it all goes together. Thank you. So cute. You're welcome. Look pretty. Hey, already just sing? Try to get to your level, girl. Try to get to your level. Okay, ready? Guess I'm gonna blow. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cindy. Happy birthday to you. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, we're back home. Me and Lucine, we're gonna go to the pool now. Bathing suit. We're gonna drive there because I am not walking. We're going to the bigger pool. I still have yet to check out the smaller pool at our building. We got some watermelon here to snack on. We're at the pool. This is my outfit today. I'm just wearing this dress from Shein. And this bag again from TJ Maxx. I really like it. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear or sandals I'm gonna wear. I'll figure that out later. I'm gonna show Lucinda's outfit. Her outfit's cute. Where is she? Look at her. It's my outfit of the day. And then this is what Alexander's wearing. Yes, it's Sunday, guys, and we are heading out for lunch with my mom and my brother. We're gonna go get Osaka. It's one of our favorite sushi buffet restaurant. We're heading out now for lunch, and then we're gonna go to the pool again. Hello, happy birthday! Thank you.
Ooh, look at this green box. This is where you hide your cookies. Oh, what is this for?
Just storage. Storage bin. Yeah. But honestly, I'm actually like they get on it. They have it. Like, yeah. But I mean, there was honestly. No. Goodie bags for everyone? I see.
This is what
Seven Leaves. One of my favorite places.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, she was holding on that.
Yeah, it's cute.
We're in Daiso right now.
Oh, look at this little chair for your hamsters. I mean, table so they can eat.
I am in the car. Alexander's family is still in Daiso, and then I'm gonna go to Ranch 99 Market. Gotta get a couple vegetables to make some dinner. But I'm just in the car. I'm gonna wait for them because I'm just so tired now. I'm so sleepy. I slept a lot last night, but I didn't feel like it. We went to this Japanese store. How do you pronounce this? Is it Tesso or Tiso? I don't know, but I got myself this product. It's called a Fujiko. It is so bright. I don't know if you can see it. Water powder, blotting powder. It's Helps remove excess sebum and oils on your forehead and nose and keep your makeup for a whole day. So I wanted to try this. It was $24.99, $27 after tax, and it's like in a big old package. So I think it will last me a good amount of time. Hopefully it's good. Anyways, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I did a little blue wing eyeliner. I saw Fifi yesterday. Shout out to you, Fifi. You inspired me to do like a color wing because you did it with eyeshadow. I don't know what color you used. It looked like a burgundy red, but I forgot that I have color eyeliner until I saw Fifi at lunch yesterday. And so I'm like, you know what, let me do a little blue wing. By the way, I am wearing a new necklace. This is also from Nevaeh. If you guys want, you can use the code down below to get 20% off on your purchase. The pool, we're at the smaller one that's next to my building. This one is cute. No one's here, which I like. There's the pool area.
Oh, there's a ping pong table.
Oh, nice.
Okay, ping pongs.
Like that's like half shade, half sunny, so I'm gonna be on the sunny side.
It's closer to the other apartments,
Yeah,
which is like
just a little U-shaped pool. Here we are. Nice. Say hello! It's on right now.
Yeah, just leave it.
Oh, it feels nice though.
oh, we need. I wish there was a convenience store here. Just get some s'mores.
I know, like a snack or something.
We're drying off now.
That's what I said.
Alright, hey guys, it's Monday morning. I'm at work. I just stopped vlogging yesterday on Sunday, but we just pretty much chill after we got home from Carrollton, and yeah, like not much really happening. But overall, my birthday was great. I had such a fun time at the comedy show, lunch, family time, and just being out at the pool. So it's a very good 28th birthday weekend. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I've made it to 100 subscribers, so all you new people, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Hope you guys stick around long. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.